आइटम बॉयज स्लैश जेंटलमैन तालियां होते हैं इनके लिए. We're changing the terminology a little bit. I've got some bets for you, gentlemen. Can you please join me on stage? Everybody take out their bets. Yes, yes. No, you want to use your bet only? Bet guys, सबकी. I can't see it. Where are the bets? And my esteemed colleagues from the media, आपके bets कहाँ हैं? Where are the bets? आपको दी नहीं है. अभी. Oh, you're not the esteemed colleagues then. Mister, who has the bets? Where are the bets? Okay, please stand up with the bets. Please stand up with the bets. सब लोग खड़े हो जाओ. Sir, I have three in case you don't want to take off the bets. There we go. Ready first? The great gentleman who has made us and given us nightmares since he was this small. When he used to move around, sir, एक tutorial हो जाए. What is the tutorial? Everybody stand up. All with the bets. Please stand up. Okay. Prabhu sir, you have to give us a tutorial for 30 seconds. How you going to dance? थोड़ा सा मुश्किल करना ताकि अच्छा लगे. You give us a narration. What you're doing? Take the bet at the back. Nicely laid. Okay.
Actually, it has to be in one loop. So that in one loop.
I'll put it in the loop for you. So once the loop is there, after that, anything else?
For audience, not for me.
Put it in one loop, everybody. If you can't find the loop, yes, that's fine. Ladies, no need to find the loop. That's fine. That works. So, sir, what is the shot? What is the movement? That's it, very simple. Alright, the tutorial by Prabhu Deva. Never before ever. Let's go. Yeah. Ready, sir?
With music.
Oh, yes, please play the music for the tutorial. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Thank you so much, gentlemen. That was fantastic. Longer answer than I thought. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi guys, what's up? कैसा लगा गाना? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Is that it? The butterfly is the gone once the moment is like, ooh. When you were performing, when you were doing it, I want to hear some bits about that. Difficult, not difficult, scared to do it, iconic film, Salman Khan, Dabangg 3. Did I make you a little bit more scared or no?
You're making me very scared.
So we'll come to that. Sir, a big number, everyone's really happy. I think, as Salman sir said, the true voices are at the back, they always come out. How happy are you now that it's just pretty much out there? Everyone's seen almost every bit of it except the film, but everything else is pretty much out there.
Extremely happy, and this was a challenge, this song, because it's already an iconic song, and to do a kind of a rewind of this song and to make it as good, full contribution to Salman, because it was completely his idea, and he thought that this is something that's really going to work, and we can see the reaction.
And I love the styling, the jackets and the jazz in it. We haven't seen so much
And
bling
Prabhu
ever.
sir's little cameo in that, it's very good, good fun.
Bling really works. And you guys have had great association with all your songs and all your films. It's almost like a brand factory can be set up with it. But it works really well with it. You've got some good partners that are coming on board also for this.
So firstly, Sajid Wajid, this is the third time they were on board with us, and each time they've given music, they've been outstanding music. Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to work with you. You guys are wonderful. And so, इस बार मुन्नी नहीं मुन्ना बना हुआ है, and we are really happy to associate and have great partners in Setwet.
Yeah.
And Setwet has put up one challenge for all the munnas out there. In Dabangg style, they have to do put up a video online. Hashtag get Dabangg with
Eat Dabangg with Setwet and style like Chulbul. I put the hashtag again. Hashtag style like Chulbul. I'm assuming everyone knows the spellings. Yeah, perfect. Beat the bum with a double G with set wet. These are the 2 hashtags.
Then what do we do? Kick off the evening with the
Yeah, well, let's have a little challenge.
Millennium Munni.
No, wait. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So basically, we're going to teach you a track, a little bit of dancing. Okay, and you have to do that. But I'm going to call 2 TikTok stars. How many people on TikTok over here? I like it. Actually, Salman sir doesn't know that he's on TikTok because he's there on every video. It's just that he's not on it. Everyone makes his videos and puts them out. One day, sir will show you a bit of all the videos out there. But Faisal and Lucky, I want to call you on stage. Guys, big round of applause for 2 very popular TikTok stars, Faisal and Lucky. Big round of applause, guys. Come on. No, that's not cool. Much better. Thank you, boys. हमें join करने के लिए. अभी वरीना वैसी थोड़ी सी डरी हुई है, ऐसा लग रहा है उनको. लेकिन we have to make a dance. So we're gonna do a little bit. This is a tutorial day today. पहले प्रभु सर ने सिखाया, आप सिखाओगे. So फैसल बताओ, लकी आप सिखाओगे या फैसल सिखाएंगे, क्या होगा? हो जाए, ठीक है. Arbaaz sir, you can join it if you want. No. So stay right there. Stay. Yeah. Yeah, पहले tutorial चल रहा है. Then we'll give the music. So while they're learning, remember the hashtags, huh? Style like Chulbul and hashtag beat the bum with the double G with Edward. Varina, ready? एक shot में सीख गए, perfect? Okay, ready? Let's have the music, guys. Well done, Varina. Well done. One shot take, one take. Well done. I like it. Would you say like this is one of the biggest films overall that you've done?
We stopped talking about Dabangg 3 much before we started making. We started talking about Dabangg 4.
Already? Is that an official announcement? No. We won't get into that at all.
Right now we just announced Radhe. Dr. Radhe.
You know, Sai's been there quite a bit, you know, and the whole media's been talking about her also. Everyone wants to see that. This whole bit of trying to, you know, also make sure that your artists are out there, you know, and they get the great, media vibe also that comes across. This is difficult. Have you been giving lots of words of wisdom on a daily basis to us, saying, you know, this is how we got to do it, this is how we not going to do it? Is that happening at all, Sai? Can you answer that? Salman sir giving words of wisdom or no?
A little bit here and there.
Yeah. What has he said not to do in front of anyone? Forget about what you want to do. What has he said about not to do in front of you?
She does not do anything that she should not do in front of anyone.
Perfect. Looks like a perfect. Varina, before we throw open to the media, they've seen so much. This is again like home ground for you as well. Were you super excited when you said, all right, we got the song ready for you. This is how we got to do it. Were you super excited that time, or was it like, let me just figure it out then I'll see?
I'm still figuring it out. Yeah.
No, I think you figured it out pretty well. And are you ever happy with what you see as far as yourself on screen? And you get happy or no?
I, for some reason, don't like seeing myself on screen. I don't watch my work at all. एक बार देखा and that's it. You won't believe I've not seen this the song yet. मैंने सिर्फ teaser देखा है.
आज मैंने वैसे पूरा गाना प्ले किया है.
मैंने नहीं देखा.
आज भी नहीं देखा. अपना गाना नहीं देखा.
नहीं देखा मैंने.
Wonderful. Then we'll open up to the media. Let them ask you the questions of what they feel, how the track is going to be. Yeah, please. I'm opening out right now. Where are the mics?
Dabangg 3 की पूरी टीम को big congratulations. This is Simran Singh here from Cosmos. So मेरा सवाल यहाँ पे सलमान भाईजान आपसे है कि ट्रेलर जब से निकला है, जो गाने आए जुक बॉक्स पे, जो हम वीडियो देखते हैं, it's going crazier day by day. बट जब भी बड़ी फिल्म रिलीज होती है, there is always a certain section of people who will come into controversy, कोई ना कोई controversy create कर देते हैं।
सत श्री अकाल भाजी।
सत श्री अकाल जी। So जब भी कोई बड़ी फिल्म रिलीज होती है, कोई ना कोई एक certain section of people will
ये तो माना कि बड़ी फिल्म है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
हाँ जी।
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये कि whenever a big film comes, एक ना कोई controversy तो होती है। What's your take on that? How do you take? मतलब आप इस बात को कैसे? What's your take on that?
एक इनकी फिल्म हमने की थी, इसके ऊपर एक नाम के ऊपर कंट्रोवर्सी था, वो जो क्लियर हो चुका है, डिसमिस हो चुका है। तो ऐसी कंट्रोवर्सीज आती हैं, जाती हैं, क्लियर हो जाती हैं। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं जिसकी वजह से कोई कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट किया जाए। मुझे ऐसा इस फिल्म में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लग रहा।
Especially with the title song, गुड़ गुड़ दबंग।
नहीं, वो गाना तो हमारा ही है, बहुत पहले से हमारा है, तो शायद वो नाम वाम आने के चक्कर में टू लिंक them with us किसी भी सूरत में उनका थोड़ा सा भला हो जाए, ट्राई करते हैं तो हो भी जाता हूँ। अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं।
उंगली कटा के शहीद
ये सब फैंस वगैरह भी उनको थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है, अच्छा है।
Thank you.
Salman? Yeah. So, like a good sequel, this song looks bigger and better than the first two attempts. So, congratulations. I think
We tried to destroy this song actually. We tried to make it worse than the first one, but it just turned out. God has been on our side.
the distraction worked, I must say. But this time you turned the tables and turned it on its head, and now Munna is Badnaam.
So I'll tell you one day I thought, so we were looking for the Tod of Munni Badnaam Hui, and about 1:30 in the morning I called up Arvaz. He was just reaching home, and I said, no, I've got the Tod of Munni Badnaam Hui. So he came very excited home, and so I took my time, spent about an hour with my brother. He said, what is the Tod? What is the Tod? What is the Tod? So I tell you, after an hour and a half, I said, Munna Badnaam Hui. He's abused me, he's gone home.
सलमान फैजान इज सेट फ्रॉम यूसर राइट। मेरा सवाल आपसे है, जिस तरीके से ट्रेलर जो है बहुत ज्यादा मतलब हिट हो गए हैं, लोग बहुत ज्यादा बातें कर रहे हैं, काफी अच्छा बज़ बना हुआ है, कोई एक ऐसा कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा, जो आपके दिल के क्लोज हो, जो आपको बहुत मतलब दिल को छू गया हो, जो आप शेयर करना चाहें हमारे साथ?
हमारे फादर ने हमसे ये कहा कि भूल जाओ, डोंट वरी, ही इज वेरी क्रिटिकल अबाउट आवर मूवीज। वो सीधा सीधा बोल देते हैं कि ये गई बेटा, चल भूल जाओ इसको। So he said the same thing to us in just the opposite manner, in a very positive manner. भूल जाओ इसको, इस पर कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना, और इससे दिमाग खराब नहीं हो जाने चाहिए, नेक्स्ट वाली में ज़्यादा मेहनत करो।
And producer, this is your second collab with Salman after What If. क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसे एक्सपीरियंस आपका सलमान के साथ में इस फिल्म में काम करने का?
It was a great experience and nice experience.
Prabhu here, how was it getting the title of item boy? There are two item boys. Salman तो चलो ठीक है. What about you?
ये कहाँ से आई आवाज? अब ये जानी पहचानी आवाज है, मुझे पता था कि आप ही की आवाज होगी।
So, how was it?
Yesterday night only I came to know I'm an item boy. Good, it's okay now. Sir is getting item boy number 1. It's okay now to get item boy 2. It's okay.
But sir, I did slash gentleman also. I said boy slash gentleman when I was calling her on stage, so I covered up with it.
Ajay, thank you.
That part I covered up. Last couple of questions. Yeah. I'll become on this side. Yeah. So yeah.
Congratulations to Salman, Arfan, Babu and the entire team. Which was बहुत सालों के बाद एक ब्रांड जो म्यूजिक लॉन्च हो रहा है, नॉर्मली हम देखते हैं बेटर भी होता है। ये आइडिया कैसा था? We really enjoyed it.
Thank you. Big round of applause everybody those who enjoyed. बहुत मेहनत की है ये सारे टीम जो यहाँ खड़ी है।
ये जो पूरी टीम है यहाँ पर, इनको पैसे खर्च करने का बड़ा शौक है, इनसे बात कीजिए आप। अपर्णा वहाँ पे, शमीरा वहाँ पर, जगी has got no say. There's Krishna standing right behind everyone here.
जब आपके पास प्रपोजल आया था, आप
चॉइस ही नहीं है, ये दोनों महिलाएं चलाती हैं SK
Namaste Shamira madam.
So in case you don't know who they are these two ladies over here. In case you are wondering who they are, these two ladies. one question and I don't know where to throw. Do I say hand? Yeah. One second.
Hey, sir, कहाँ थे sir इतने साल?
I'll come here.
प्रभु के साथ आपने सेकंड फिल्म की अवार्डेड के बाद 10 साल का पीरियड भी हो गया। इन 10 साल में has प्रभु learned Hindi more from you or you have learned Tamil from him?
Sir, I dubbed Tamil. The trailer, showed it to him. He heard. He said, "Sir, what language?" No, sir. Let dubbing. Good voice, same voice. Dubbing artist will do, sir. You don't, sir. Please. I said, "But let me try." No, sir. Let him only do, no, sir. It's okay, sir. I said, "I'll try." No, sir. You concentrate on Hindi dubbing.
Daban 3 will be released in Tamil also?
Yeah, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada.
But the second half of the question, sir, how much Hindi have you learned? Wait, gentlemen, second half of the question. How much Tamil sir has learned? How much Hindi have you learned, sir?
No, won't change them, always say.
Constant.
Okay, one last question right here. One second.
हाँ, कहिए। नहीं, अगली बार ट्राई करेंगे कि बुराई की चीज बताएं। लेकिन मैं जान रहा हूँ कहाँ जा रही है। वो मैंने वो उसके ऊपर मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया है। अब आप देख लीजिए what I feel about that. Because फिर like all day today मुझे आज सुबह को ही पता चला. I didn't know about it yesterday. तो जब सुबह को पता चलेगा, आज सुबह से मेरा मूड बहुत खराब था। Because ऐसे लोगों को ना एक ऐसी
Right, we'll wrap on this, guys. Thank you so
आखिरी
much.
सवाल सलमान खान सुपरस्टार, सुपर होस्ट और अब सुपर आइटम बॉय। तो सुपर आइटम बॉय आपको अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे बाकी प्रोड्यूसर्स? पहला मेरा सवाल।
डाउटफुल अगर फ्री में आ गया तो वही होगा। नहीं तो डाउटफुल है।
सलमान गाने में बहुत सारा फ्लेवर है, हर एक बंदे के लिए कहीं का भी वो से कनेक्ट कर पाएगा। मुझे गाने बहुत सारा, मुझे मुन्नी बदनाम हुई आया था तो मैं नॉर्थ की हूँ और मुझे नॉर्थ के सारा एक फ्लेवर उसमें नजर आया था। इस गाने में आपको कौन सी चीज पर्सनली बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी? क्योंकि हम लोगों ने अभी एक बार देखा है गाना, आपने डेफिनेटली शूट किया है। कौन सी चीज
मुझे इसमें दो चीजें बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी। एक तो थोड़ी सी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये थी कि प्रभु देवा उस गाने में थे मेरे साथ। फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी कि वो ये थी गाने में आफ्टर लव यात्री। सो एंड शी डन अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब। शी हैज ट्रेन्ड लाइक क्रेजी। 2 महीने की ट्रेनिंग रही है इनकी डांसिंग और वर्किंग आउट में। तो ये जिम सुबह शाम डाइट वगैरह बहुत उन्होंने अच्छी तरह से फॉलो किया है, जो कि मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये कर नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन ये इन्होंने कर दिखाया। एंड शी वॉज just on standby till we were 100% sure that she's going to look the way she's looked in the song. So she didn't know till right the last day that she was doing the song. So just on this promise कि अगर तुम अच्छी लगेगी तो ये गाना आपको मिलेगा। हालांकि हमारे दिमाग में वो ऑलरेडी था, बट इनको हमने थोड़ा सा एक सस्पेंस में रखा था कि जब आप सीरियस हो जाएंगी, वजन लूज कर जाएंगी, बॉडी वॉडी बना लेंगी, तब आपको ये गाना मिलेगा। और इन्होंने ये गाना बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से किया।
Okay, now one sec. Salman sir and Sai. Prabhu sir, you also stay. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Wajid bhai. Wait, now please keep one sec. Harsh, just keep the song ready. I want to show it again after some time. Harsh, just keep the song ready. One second now, Salman sir solos. Yes.
अरे बैठो।
प्रभु सर सेंटर, प्रभु सर राइट साइड, सर सेंटर राइट साइड, Thank you. यहाँ पे दीजिए, राइट। सामने Thank you.
इसलिए यार वेरी गुड साजिद भाई वेलकम
एवरीवन
हेलो
गाने से पहले
और आपके सवाल से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल माय ब्रदर वाजिद
भाई के लिए भी ताली हो जाए वाजिद भाई बट कैसा लग रहा है सर वापस आके ये तो होम ग्राउंड टेरिटरी है ना आपके लिए
सर ये तो मतलब यहाँ इस फील्ड पे तो हमने बहुत सारे चक्के मारे हैं
लेकिन होम ग्राउंड में बहुत ज्यादा मजाक नहीं है बहुत प्रूफ करना भारी पड़ता है बहुत
आप लोगों ने बहुत जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस दिया ऑलवेज यू नो आई एम सुपर रिस्पेक्ट फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू ऑल डिजर्व एवरीथिंग अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम you know I think they've been there for the longest time I met them for so many years of my life and so happy to see them here
but I'll tell you one thing in this film
yeah
हम लोगों ने सलमान भाई के साथ इतना क्लोजली और इतना ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है बिकॉज मुझे लगता है सलमान भाई वैसे तो सब चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं लेकिन दबंग 3 के अंदर माशाल्लाह वी रियली वर्कड हार्ड एंड ऑल और एक एक लाइन के ऊपर लिरिकली एंड म्यूजिकली एंड आई वाज अमेज्ड द वे सलमान भाई केम अप विद सो मेनी आइडियाज सो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर सलमान खान
बट यू बेटर बी रेडी विद द स्टेप लेटर मैं कराऊंगा आपसे फिलहाल स्टेज इज योर्स लेट्स हैव द ट्रैक दिस ग्रुप इज मच बेटर नॉर्मली लेफ्ट राइट हम खेलते हैं यू करके के फैंस I know I'm giving food after the event, लेकिन पहले तो कुछ खा लेते वहां पे साइड पे पड़ा हुआ था. Anyway, all right. So यूं करके पहले I would like to call the performers on stage, and after that we'll call Payal on stage. She's a wonderful singer. Again, बहुत बढ़िया आवाज, and you know it's so exciting to always be part of a big magnum opus like this. तो पहले हो जाए यूं करके के लिए. Can I have my dancers on stage, please?